Hello everyone, welcome back to the next video. In this video I will show you how to preview audio effects in a Flutter Android app using the Media3 Transformer API. So now to show you the output, this would be little bit difficult. So I have run my application and the video which you are seeing is playing from a network URL. So I have turned down the audio a little bit by 0.5f, but if you want you can completely turn the audio off. Now I have already made quite a bit of videos on using Media3 Transformer. But how this video is different is that previously I would select an original video, then I would click on the convert button, then it would apply this video effects, right, or the audio effects. But in this I haven't done anything. Like, it is not taking within a second, like however time it takes you to load a normal video on Android. In that particular time itself the audio effects are applied. So if I just so this is for a video which is stored on a network URL, right? Suppose if I click on open video picker without permission, so honestly you don't need this permission. Like, I am using this manage external storage permission, like I didn't know better. Even without this permission, like this permission is for saving the converted video to external storage, but we can do without that as well, which I didn't know. But yeah, anyways, this is fine. So here you can see it is telling me to pick one video. I will select the 1 minute long video, and it has so I'll just pause the video, but it has definitely lowered the audio for this video and it has already applied the effect, so it was pretty quick. For this convert button, it is basically like saving this video to external storage if you want the video with all these effects as well. That's what this is. So here you can see the conversion is already done and the file is saved to external storage. So let's see how to do this. So first go to so here I have created my Flutter application inside main.dart, and here I have created one stateful widget. So by default I am playing this video which is present on network URL. Okay, also now this video has started playing, so I don't know why the delay was. I'll quickly show it that to you, just so that you guys can believe me. Here you can see, and this video is also stored to external storage. So if I click on open video picker without permission, here you can see there are 2 minutes. So the first video which is saved, that is saved to external storage. So anyways, so here you can see for the very first time I am playing the video which is stored on network URL. Then I have created a method channel video picker platform. On click of this button I am just picking videos, but you can pick audio files as well. So I'm just applying this audio effects to a video file, but you can pick audio files as well, so the code will remain the same. And here you can see I'm just creating this my video view. So this is a custom widget. So if you go to my video view, it is a stateful widget which takes a video URL. I have also created one key so that our app is updated every time you change the URL. That's what I am applying over here, and this is how we are sending the video URL to native Android side. And for if it is an Android platform is Android, then only I am displaying an Android view, otherwise I am just displaying one placeholder. Then open the Android folder inside Android Studio. Firstly, inside settings.gradle I have updated the Kotlin version to 1.9.20. Then inside build.gradle I have added this activity KTX, fragment KTX. I am using older version of fragment KTX because the newer version is causing some issues on Flutter, that's why. And then here I am using exoplayer UI, common effect, exoplayer HLS as well as transformer. Then and inside Android manifest I have added this internet permission. Honestly, you don't need all these permissions. Like, you would require write external storage permission, but I don't think maybe read external as well. So read write you might require, but I don't think you require this manage external storage permission. But anyways, I have just kept it. Actually I'm using it, but this is not really useful in our case, but yeah, anyways, it's fine. So here next inside Kotlin plus Java, so you just have to click on the sync now button, so it will download all the dependencies for you. Then inside main activity, here these are all the imports. Here I have created one method channel result. This is for read write external storage permission. Once the permission is given, I call this launch new video picker. Again, for picking video you don't require any permission, okay, so don't get confused. Then here we are just requesting the manage external storage permission. So here we are launching this, which launches goes to the settings and user has to give the permission. And here you can see we are just picking visual media, so video, it is video only. Here we are calling configure Flutter engine, so same identifier which you have it on the Flutter side. And once this video picker platform is called, this pick video without permission, I am just picking video and sending that URL back to Flutter side. Then here we have created this my video view factory. This is like boilerplate code which you have to write every time you want to embed a native Android view inside your Flutter application. Then here I have created this my video view.kt as well. Again, these are all the imports, so if you want you can copy paste it. And the next, we are marking it as unstable because at the time of me recording Media3 APIs are still a bit unstable. And here we are extending transformer.listener as well as lifecycle owner because I want to make use of Kotlin coroutines. Then here I have created one handler as well as progress holder, and these are the audio effects. So here I have created one linear layout, two exo player views, two player views, and one progress bar, one button, one file name, playback position is 0, play when ready is true. Here I have created our transformer, and here I have created our file path. Then this is our video URL. I have created one layout params as well. Orientation is vertical. Here I have created our player view. Then I'm just displaying all these buttons to the user. Then this is our main button, and on click of it we just call setup transformer, and this is for the output player. Here is our progress bar. I'm adding our progress bar to our linear layout, and here we get the video URL. And this is how we apply the effects. Now I'm applying all these effects, but you can choose whatever effects you want. If you want to apply some other audio effects, you can use that as well. Here you can change the scale to whatever audio effects you want to. Here we are initializing our input player. We are creating our input player, and this is the important part. So here you can see we are automatically applying this effect as soon as we get it, so that it doesn't take time for that particular thing to apply it to our video. But yeah, here we are calling play when ready, and this is our media item, and preparing our input player. Here we are initializing our output player. Here we are releasing our player. Here we are getting our view, passing our linear layout. We are in dispose we call release player. So here we are setting up transformer. On transform we are showing progress bar, initializing transformer, passing our creating our input media item, creating array list of effect. This is our edited media item, and this is where the progress is tracked, in case if you want to show the progress to you on your file. This is an external files, and this is how we, with the help of this, we save the file to external storage. So this code I have just copy pasted it from Stack Overflow, so you can maybe do the same. Then here, given that we were extending transformer.listener, we have to override two methods, on completed and on error. So on completed we just add video to external storage and display the output player, hide progress bar. But in case of error, we hide both output player and progress bar, display a toast message. So yeah, I think that's it. That's how you can preview audio effects. Thank you for watching. Bye.